Hey everybody, I know it's been a long time since I put up a video. I've been busy working and other things. So today I thought I'd put up a video. I'm going to try out my new program. Oh, there he is. My new program with my drone. So I've been doing a little bit of practicing with it, but I really haven't had time. And the weather hasn't been really cooperating except just lately. But I've got a flight planner. So I know before I said I was going to get a flight planner, I bought one. And I'm going to try it. Just a simple flight. Hopefully I won't stand outside here and just watch my drone fly away somewhere. But we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Got to let you know, one of the problems, I did try this before, but one of the problems I was having, I didn't put up a video of course because it wasn't successful, I was having some problems getting the, not the drone to hook up to GPS signal, but my phone. I was only getting about 40%, and the flight planner won't let you take off unless you have, I don't know, probably 70%. I'm not exactly sure what the number is, but it's got to be pretty high in order for it to take off and do its flight plan. But the drone was getting 90+%, but my phone was having some problem. I noticed that now I'm getting 90+%, so we're gonna give this a try, and hopefully it'll return to me. But it's just a simple flight. It's going to go up about 120 feet in the air and do a triangle and then basically come right back. So we'll see. Well, jeez. Ah, my drone is back. It was a successful flight, I guess. We'll see what the video looks like. I finally figured out the program, how to launch the program and start the flight plan. Yeah, I'm learning. For a while there, I thought I wasn't going to get it back. I thought it was going to go off someplace because it seemed to go a little bit further than what I had planned it out, and it was actually headed over the trees. At least it was over the trees, not by much, but it was over the big trees over here on the hill. And but it did stop just over the trees and then return. And I don't know. I gotta bug this out a little bit and see what I can do with it. I've got lots of obstacles here. I've got light poles and trees around. That's why I did the extra height. I went up about 120 feet. So, but at least didn't fly away on me. So we'll see. We'll see what the video looks like. I'll put that up here and next time I'll hopefully do a little bit better, because this time it really had me scared. And this was just a simple plan. There was another plan I had that was a lot more complicated, but I just wanted to do something simple, just a triangular plan. Just go out, stop, turn, go out again, stop, turn, and return, and land here in the parking lot. Okay, anyways, that's it for now, and I will see you later.